Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. This is the educational video about semantics. What is semantics? Example, why it is important, and semantics used in the classroom. Semantics, the branch of linguistic and logical concern with meaning. There are a number of branches and sub-branches of semantics, including formal semantics, which studies the logical aspect of meaning, such as sense, reference, implication, and logical form. Lexical semantics, which studies word meanings and word relations, and conceptual semantics, which studies the cognitive structure of meaning. In other words, semantics means the meaning and interpretation of words, sign, and sentence structure. Semantics largely determine our reading comprehension, how we understand others, and even what decision we make as a result of our interpretations. And now, let's proceed to some example. Do your chores. Do your chores whenever you feel like it. However, the mother was probably saying, do your chores right now. Next, let's proceed to importance of semantics. Why it is important. Semantics is essential for developing an understanding of the world and ability in expressing ideas and understanding messages. It influences our reading comprehension of others' word and everyday conversation. And now, let's proceed. How can semantics be used in the classroom? Or semantics used in the classroom? It builds vocabulary and background knowledge. It helps students differentiate among the meanings of related words and concepts by showing how they are similar and different. It draws on student prior knowledge and lends itself to academic discussion. That's all for my video presentation about semantics. Thank you for watching. Bye!